Are you tired of waiting around for that yearly bonus or a profit that only shows up once in a blue moon? What if your money could be working for you every single month? Well, today we're going to break down 5 of the smartest ways to generate consistent monthly income in 2026. Let's get right into it.
I mean, it's a super common frustration, right? You're working your tail off, but those big paydays feel so few and far between. But the good news is, you can actually change that rhythm. You can build systems that pay you regularly, predictably, month in and month out. And that's exactly what we're going to map out today.
So our mission here, it's pretty simple. Build a steady, reliable stream of cash flow. This isn't just about chasing some one-time gain. It's about creating an income that gives you that financial breathing room we all want. So let's jump into our very first strategy.
All right, first up, stocks that pay you monthly. Now, this strategy takes a classic investment, stocks, and gives it a really powerful monthly twist. We're talking about a very specific type of stock that could totally change how you think about getting income from your portfolio. You see, most stocks that pay dividends, they do it every quarter, so 4 times a year. But there's this special class of them that pays out every single month. That simple shift in frequency can make a huge difference, not just for your monthly budget, but for compounding your wealth even faster.
And a perfect real-world example of this is a company called Realty Income. I mean, these guys have built their entire identity around this concept. They even trademarked the nickname the Monthly Dividend Company. It's kind of like owning a tiny piece of a massive real estate empire and getting your cut of the rent every 30 days.
Okay, next up is our second strategy. And this one's perfect if you think the stock market is, just a little too much of a roller coaster. Believe it or not, in 2026, some of the absolute safest places to park your cash are also offering some really attractive monthly payments, all thanks to the power of interest.
Yep, we're talking about high-yield savings accounts and money market funds. For anybody who puts safety first, these are totally back in style. Just think of them as the perfect home for your emergency fund or any cash you're saving for the short term. The bank is literally paying you a steady little thank you every single month in the form of interest. And with interest rates staying competitive, the difference between a traditional, old-school savings account and the high-yield one is, frankly, huge. We're talking about earning substantially more on your cash reserves month after month with basically zero extra risk. It's a no-brainer. Now, our next 2 strategies are all about real estate, but it's real estate reimagined. For decades, if you wanted income from property, it meant you had to be a landlord. Well, technology has completely changed that game, letting you get all the benefits without ever having to fix a leaky faucet. And this brings us to strategy number 3, real estate crowdfunding. This is a total game changer for making property investing accessible to pretty much everyone. You absolutely do not need a huge down payment or a massive mortgage to get your